It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
How did you know that was gonna happen? Oh, it's started?
Yeah.
This is my Volkswagen Golf.
Look at that new project car.
The car itself is in very good condition. There are still bits and bobs that need to be fixed, but I'm still very happy for it being black, automatic, being in a good price as well. Today we are gonna try paint the alloys, put the GTI bumper on, and paint the calipers. Stay tuned. There's a couple dents and stuff as you can see here.
Normally, yeah, these cars they've got a rust here. They're quite common.
Yeah, we changed the alloys and wheels, sprayed
who paid that?
primered them. Huh?
Who paid that?
You'll see in the video.
Yeah, I don't know if you notice the difference, but look at that one. Look at that one. Yeah, never mind.
Oh, the car came tinted as well, which is nice. I think they're 5%. Yeah, everything else good as that as well.
Yeah.
But overall condition, the headlights are really good condition. Bumper's okay, there's some minor stuff here. All these badges and stuff, I think they're just wear and tear because it's a 2004 car.
Best thing about this car, it's actually fully spec.
Okay, that's the outside really. See the inside?
Leather seats. I mean, this is like
heated seats. And this window doesn't work as well, by the way. It doesn't go down. The one we need to open and check. They said that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, heated seats, leather seats, good condition, no rips, nothing like that. Yeah, the front I added this myself. This is for my old car. The cushions and stuff. Nice leather.
I just saw forward.
Oh, I had to move it for the bumper. Oh. Yeah, automatic gearbox. That's semi-auto.
That's crazy for that car.
Yeah.
What's the mileage on it?
Mileage is 70. Let me show. Where is it? Oh, 77, 314.
You got engine light on.
Yeah, and if you look that way, there's an engine light and then this light. This light is for the number plate light. So at the back, the number plate light doesn't work. So that's another problem.
You know what the thing I like about this car is the pedal lights. It's got these like pedal lights. How do you turn them on? That thing here. They're quite nice, man.
Oh, guess what? Look at this.
Oh yeah, electric as well, isn't it? How do you do that? What do you do?
It's a button here.
Does it work with the key?
I don't know about the key, but I just do this.
Yeah, that's pretty good, man. For 2004 as well. The badge feather. It's some dodgy wiring there, though.
Yeah, that wiring. The guy said it was a number plate light. That doesn't make sense to me.
That's a number plate light. Let's see the mods that you bought.
Stop! We'll get into that and show you guys how I painted the alloys. Let's go! I've acquired gloss black paint primer and ready for the blue reveal. Blue calipers. Red is a bit overdone. I was gonna get purple, but there's no purple here. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye! We're now gonna wash these tires. These are the Golf ones, as you can see. And yeah, we're gonna paint these black again. This is really bad. We're gonna sand it down, spray paint them, and then we'll do some more afterwards. We had to make sure that we washed the tires thoroughly, and then we can start off with the primer and the paint.
So we're gonna start doing the primer. We've already done sanding, washing, all that kind of ish. Listen, this is real life DIY Customz. We don't have tape on us right now, so use the old cereal box. Whatever works. This is what you have to do. So I'm just gonna put this on and around, and then hopefully it should work, and we'll do the primer in a bit.
This is the primer we're using. No idea if this is the right one or not.
Preferably do get masking tape. It is a bit harder, but listen, DIY. Remember that. Wet is the tire here. What I'm doing now is just get a sponge and just roughly washing it just to get any like excess dirt.
But we left the cardboard here, fam.
Huh?
You left this cardboard here. This is so uneven, it's crazy. Yeah, so we're gonna spray the wheels now in gloss black. I have no idea how long it's gonna last. I don't think this is for wheels. This is my second time doing it. The first time I didn't do it without primer, so it came off basically straight away. Let's do it, yeah?
Alright.
I just realised the badge wasn't.
Yes, it was too late for that anyways.
Alright guys, let's first coat done. It's looking okay. If you look here, these things, they're all on there as well. It looks good so far. Now let's go back to the present. Bye!
Yeah, let's see the mods that you bought then.
Okay, so come around here. We've got the GTI front grille and GTI front bumper. You look at the car, it's not a GTI. If there was an R32, I probably would have got R32, but there's none of these, there's only GTI.
How much was it?
You won't believe this, okay? Put your guesses in the comments. See that?
What was that?
The bin just moved by itself. Put your guess in the comments below. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this bumper was £35. I'll show you the screenshots if I have them.
Pretty good price
£35.
for that, man. Nothing even wrong with it. It's all like.
There's a little minor dusty stuff, but that's not even the best part. This was £10. So in total, £45 for GTI front grille and bumper black, not even silver. And come around here, but these aren't the original alloys and wheels. The original ones are behind you.
Old
Like I
ones.
said, anyone wants them.
They were silver, but someone paid it and it went wrong.
It didn't go wrong, look at it.
What? That's it. Wait, look at this.
I don't know what happened here. But yeah, these I got on a deal as well. So I got these in a bundle for the front grille, which is why that front grille was £10. But these I think I got 400. 400.
I think it's 110, wasn't it?
No, that included that.
Oh.
So I think it was 100 for all 4 of the alloys plus the wheels as well.
Oh yeah, the tires are
The
big.
treads and everything.
I think it's a really good price you got.
Yeah, very good price. They normally go for like 350 and I got 400. So obviously I still got the ambient light kit from my previous car, so I didn't have the time to put it on. Put that on another video maybe.
I say let's try and change the front bumper.
Oh, one more thing.
Oh,
Blue
brake caliper paint.
brake caliper paint. I wanted the purple, but there wasn't any in Halfords. They only had blue, red and yellow. And red's kind of overrated. So
Well, I've got yellow. Yellow looks nice, bro, with the
it
black.
looks nice, but I think maybe if it was darker yellow, I might look better.
Yeah. Let's crack on and see what we get with it. How did you get that dead here? Look at this guy eating away. And we're gonna change the front bumper to the GTI one. So we're gonna do that now. Here it is there. Gotta get rid of these old wheels.
If anyone wants them, comment.
Did I give it away?
If we get 500 subs, we'll do a giveaway of tires.
What, tires?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll show you how it's done. Now, if it's gone wrong, he lost the paintbrush. So what we've done so far, we've jacked the car up, painted the calipers this colour. Yeah, I'm gonna try and work on getting this off, and yeah.
Everything's going wrong, man. We don't even have the yellow stand thingy. We got one. Look at this glove. It's all yellow.
Let me take this off. Check this out. Tight.
How did you know that was gonna happen?
That's how I filmed it. Great. Look at this mess that you've made now. Look. This is what you call cowboy, right here.
The best part is it wasn't on me.
Why would you use a paintbrush to take that clip off? I'll sort this out. We'll come back.
Whoa!
Look at this, man. Look at this mess. It go over time.
It's not as bad as it was. This is the aftermath. We cleaned it as much as we can. We're now taking off the bumper. I painted a little bit of the caliper. Still a lot to go. How's the bumper going?
Not good. Done that, taken the old one out, and as you can see, now we're gonna put the GTI one in. And this guy's still doing the same thing.
Yeah, look at this masterpiece though. Look
Looks
at it.
right, doesn't
It's
it?
sick.
You've got 3 more to do.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Finally got it in. It was quite difficult to push this in because obviously it's aftermarket. There's the old one and new one. How you getting on? A few more coats. Let's see that one. What? You didn't even do the top. You're supposed to do that.
I've done it.
No, but yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah, it's therapeutic, whatever the word is. I think it comes out better than spray as well. And here is the final result. Make sure you like and subscribe.